Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. When Coach the Heart creator reveals when season 9 will start filming, and we talk about the possible storylines, plots, what could it be about in season 9? Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Season 8 of Hallmark's When Coach the Heart might have just finished airing, but plans are already in the works for season 9. The series creator Brian Bird recently revealed how close they are to start filming for the new season. When Coach the Heart will start filming in just 6 weeks. In an interview with a podcast and host Dr. Steve Green, Brian Bird revealed that season 9 will begin filming in just 6 weeks. Because the interview took place on June 14, this puts the start of filming as happening roughly around the week of July 19 to 23. We will start shooting season 9 in just about 6 weeks. Bird said, "We shot for 78 days without one case of COVID last year." He talked about the shooting of season 8. He said that prep for shooting starts about a month before filming begins. And although he believes they will still have quite a few COVID-19 protocols to follow when filming, it won't have to be quite as rigorous as it was last year. Last year, filming protocols were so rigorous that they didn't have as many scenes with Elizabeth's baby, little Jack, as they typically do. Showrunner John Tinker shared in a Facebook Live interview that COVID restriction played a key role in keeping Lucas from having as many scenes with baby Jack, for instance. The COVID restrictions really limited our use of the Taylor twins, but there were some things like that escaped my attention. Chris McNally and Erin Krakow brought it to my attention, for instance. They helped me realize Lucas has never been in Erin's row house, perhaps appropriately, but yes, in short, it did limit us. Bird also previously commented on how COVID prevented Elizabeth herself from having as many scenes with little Jack. He retweeted a message from a fan that read, "I think it needs to be reiterated that the Hope Valley kiddos couldn't film as much this season because of COVID. No, Elizabeth hasn't abandoned her child. The show was making safe choices, hearties." Here are behind the scene photos from where the series is filmed. When Coach the Heart is filmed at the Jamestown movie set in Canada, a 96-acre land in Langley, British Columbia that was formerly called McKinney's Farms. We have seen the scenes shared on Hallmark, and the owners of the land have been sharing photos on Facebook of what it's like on the set while they wait for filming to begin. Here's a look at how calm and serene the land is as they wait for filming to begin. The page recently shared a photo of Chaving Nat and Carter Ryan on set in front of the saloon. Wendy McInnes commented, "These two young men are the best of friends and we have always welcomed them to our farm." When Coach the Heart created special friends for us, Carter's dad even helped harvest the barley, and mom and kids served up foods for the hungry people. Of course, the McInnes family wants Carter back. When Coach the Heart season 9 cast, who can be in it? The 8th season spins around Elizabeth Thatcher Thornton and the two men in her day-to-day existence, Lucas Bouchard and Nathan Grant. Other characters in the show are Rosemary LeVaux Coulter, Leland Coulter, Faith Carter, Carson Shepard, Jesse Flynn, Carla Stanton Flynn, Henry Gowan, and Bill Avery. Some repetitive characters who are important to the storyline are Ned Yost, Florence Blakely, Molly Sullivan, Ellie Grant, Fiona Miller, Joseph Canfield, and Minnie Canfield. On the off chance that the show is re-established, the greater part of the cast individuals may repeat their jobs. We may likewise see some new faces added to the cast. When Coach the Heart season 9 plot, what would it be about? In the last episode of season 8, Elizabeth decides on who is the correct man for her. Since season 6, she has been conflicted between Lucas and Nathan. Although the single parent has been involved with Lucas for a decent piece of the 8th season, Nathan has not altogether been good and gone. Carson and Faith likewise manage a significant choice as distance turns into a factor in their relationship. At last, Elizabeth fixes things with her closest companion, Rosemary. In the event that there is a season 9, we will perceive how Elizabeth explores her relationship with the man she has picked. With every one of the most recent improvements seeing someone among individuals of Hope Valley, we have a ton to anticipate. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Calls the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Calls the Heart spoilers, news and updates you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.